How to fix Google Chrome no sounds. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix no sound problem. So first thing, go to your Google Chrome and click on those 3 points at the top, click on settings, scroll down, click on site settings, scroll down, you will find sound. So here guys, if you find this off, which means tap on it and turn it on and allow sites to play sounds. And this is so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next video.